This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Lives like a house. Feels like living on vacation. Lots of square footage means spacious rooms throughout. First floor features great room west/wood burning fireplace, dining room, indoor laundry room, kitchen and screened patio west/pavers. Kitchen is fully equipped west/lots of beautiful cabinets, plenty of counter space and a breakfast bar. Upstairs you'll find 2 large guest bedrooms and a well-designed guest bathroom west/double sink vanity and privacy for the shower and toilet area. Master suite is supersized, west/a large walk-in closet and grand ensuite west/separate shower and tub. 1-car garage plus a 2-car wide driveway. Key West inspired community has pool, plus playground and jogging trail. Close to beaches, easy drive to Space Center, Port Canaveral, Orlando, Melbourne and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.